Hello, my dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. So, today we are going to start our new subject, that is learn values. In this, we will learn different values which are very important to be a good person. So, let's start with our first chapter. Lesson number 1, a successful plan. Obeying your parents is the best policy for children. So, here is a story given about two girls, and this story tells us the importance of being obedient or obeying our parents. Obeying means, students, to follow whatever our elders say to us, or to do whatever is told by our elders to do, not to argue with them, and to comply with them politely. So let's start our chapter. Once upon a time, there lived twin sisters named Sona and Mona. They were 8 years old. They lived in a small village with their parents. They were cute little girls but very naughty and never obeyed anyone. Their parents tried their best to make them understand, but Sona and Mona paid no heed to them. So, students, the first para of our lesson introduces us with two little girls who were twin sisters. Twin means who are born together. So these two girls, whose name were Sona and Mona, they were born together, and by this time they were 8-year-olds. They lived with their parents in a small village. They were very cute by looks, but they were not good in their behavior. They were very naughty and they never obeyed anyone or never listened to whatever their elders told them. That's why their parents remained very worried about them. They tried very best to change the behavior of these two girls to make them obedient, but they failed because Sona and Mona did not listen to them. Last line, it's written, but Sona and Mona paid no heed. Heed means attention. Sona and Mona doesn't give any attention to whatever their parents told them. Now let's read the next para. All the villagers were very well aware of their nature, so they always stayed away from them. Sona and Mona enjoyed each other's company. So, students, all the villagers were well aware about the behavior of these two girls, Sona and Mona, that they are very disobedient. They do not listen to what their elders say. That's why they do not interact much with these two little girls. Because, students, you know that children who are well mannered, people gets attracted to them automatically. People wanted to play with them, to talk with them, but those children who are not well mannered or who are disobedient, nobody wants to talk to them. So similar was the case with these two girls, Sona and Mona. Nobody wants to interact with them because they were not well mannered, and they remain together. They enjoyed each other's company as nobody else give them any attention. Now let's read the next para. One summer afternoon, the village children of their age decided to go for a picnic on the banks of the river. Sona and Mona too wanted to go, but none of the children invited them, as they feared that they would not listen to them and would break the rules of the picnic, which were made for their safety. So, students, one summer afternoon, all the village children of the age of Sona and Mona, they decided to go on a picnic. And where they decided to go? They decided to go on the banks of a river. Banks of the river means the land at the side of the river. So they decided to go near the river, and when Sona and Mona come to know that the children of their village are going for a picnic, they also wanted to go, but no one invited them. No child invited them because the children were afraid that these two girls will not listen to them. They will not follow the picnic rules which are made for their safety. That's why nobody invited them. Now let's read the next para. On the day of the picnic, Sona and Mona went to the children and said, "Even we want to come for the picnic." But one of the boys said, "Sorry, we cannot take you, as you both do not obey anyone, nor do you obey the rules." They were terribly sad and went home crying. Their mother asked them, "Why are you crying, dear?" They were still in tears and narrated the incident. Their mother explained to them, "Children, it is very important for a person to obey others and the rules. If it is not done, then that person is never liked or trusted. Your friends did not take you for the picnic because you both never obey anyone." Sona and Mona at this time realized their mistake and started sobbing. So students, what happened next? On the day of picnic, when all the children were ready to go, Sona and Mona went to them and they said that we also wanted to come for the picnic, but one of the boys said that sorry, we cannot take you because you are very disobedient, you never obey to elders, and similarly you will not obey the rules of the picnic, that's why we cannot take you. When Sona and Mona heard these lines, they started crying. They became very sad and they started crying and went back to their home. When they reached their home, their mother saw them that they were crying, so she asked them, "The children, why are you crying?" Then Sona and Mona, with tears in their eye, they told everything to their mother. Whatever that boy said to them, they told that to their mother. Then their mother lovingly tried to explain them the importance of obedience. She told them that those children who do not listen to others or who do not obey the rules or follow the rules are not liked or trusted by anyone. That's why people didn't want to engage them with themselves. And then she told them that your friends didn't take you for the picnic because you both never obey or never follow anyone. And finally, Sona and Mona at this time realized their mistake and they realized the importance of being obedient also, and they started sobbing. Sobbing means crying noisily or cry with noise. Now let's read the next and last para of this lesson. They said, "Mom, we have realized our mistake. We promise that we will always be obedient." Mother was very happy and hugged them. But deep within, Mother now knew that finally this plan had worked to make Sona and Mona realize how important it is to be obedient. So students, last para tells us something very good, that Sona and Mona finally realized their mistake of being so disrespectful or disobedient towards elders, and they said to their mother that Mama, we have realized our mistake and now we promise you that we will always be obedient and we will always listen to our elders. Mother of Sona and Mona was very happy. She hugged them, but deep within she knew now that this plan means it was all pre-planned, that all children will go to picnic leaving Sona and Mona behind so that these two can realize their mistake. And finally the plan became successful and these two realized their mistake. So mother was very happy, thinking that her plan had become successful and also that their daughters have now realized the importance of being obedient. So students, here ends our chapter, which gives us the moral that if you obey others, you will be trusted, which means that if you will obey others, you will listen to what they say, you will always be trusted and liked by everyone. So this chapter teaches us the value of being obedient. So students, that's all for today. We'll meet you on the next one. Hope you must have understood the importance of being obedient, and you will remain obedient towards your parents as well as elders. Okay, we'll meet you on the next turn. Till then, take care and stay safe.